असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Now exercise 11.4 problem number 2. Look at the question ma. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here we have to show that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, right. So let us take LHS. So cosec theta minus cot theta whole square given. So this cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta, and cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta, isn't it ma? Right. So I am writing cosec theta as 1 by sin theta and cot theta as cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay. So take the LCM of these two denominators here. Nothing but LCM is sin theta. So how it is ma? Sin theta comma sin theta. So sin theta once final. Sin theta is the LCM, right? So here is sin present, sin also present here. So 1 minus it becomes cos theta whole square. I am erasing this. So what becomes ma? So separate the square here. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. So it becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is. By this sin theta we can write. So we have one formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. By this we can write sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it? Right. So here it is 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So next what it becomes ma? So 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is by sin theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it ma? Right. So right. So this 1 minus cos theta whole square we can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, isn't it ma? Right. This 1 minus cos square theta we can write 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, is it right? So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. By use of this becomes here. Okay, right. Here 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta cancel. So what is the remaining ma? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is the remaining. This is nothing but our RHS. Here LHS is equals to RHS we got. Okay, this is about this. Now this problem we can solve by taking RHS also. Okay, if you take RHS you will get the LHS value. Shall we try that? Yes. Now I am taking RHS and I will prove that LHS is equals to RHS here. Okay, right. So let us take RHS. What is that ma? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now rationalize the denominator. So we already learned about this rationalization process in 9th class. Okay, right. I am going to rationalize this. So what becomes ma? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. What is the rationalization factor of 1 plus cos theta ma? It is nothing but 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So now I am going to multiply with 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So denominator and numerator I am multiplying with 1 minus cos theta. This 1 minus cos theta is the rationalization factor of 1 plus cos theta. This already we have learned in the 9th class. Okay, right. So multiply with this. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. This becomes 1 square minus cos square theta, isn't it? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a minus b into a minus b, a minus b whole square. Okay, right. The next step, so a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So in place of a 1 is there, in place of b cos is there, minus 2ab. Okay, this I am applying here a minus b whole square formula for this 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay, right. So here it is 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. This we can write, look at here, sin square theta. How it is possible, ma? So we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. By this we can write sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it? So I am replacing in place of 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. That is I have done here. The next step, 1 by, I am separating the denominator for all the terms. So 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta minus 2 into cos theta by sin square theta. So what becomes, ma? This becomes cosec square theta, isn't it? And this becomes cot square theta, isn't it? So cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. So here we are having square, that is why I am taking cot square, as well as here 1 by sin square theta. So 1 by sin theta is equals to cosec theta. So due to sine, due to square, cosec square theta is, okay. Cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus this cos theta by sin theta into 1 by sin theta. So what becomes, ma? So cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus this becomes 2 cot theta into 1 by sin, we can write cosec theta, isn't it, ma? So I am writing here remaining problem. I am going to erase this, ma. So what becomes, ma? So this is in the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab, isn't it? So can we write like this? So where a equals to cosec theta, b equals to cot theta, okay. So a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. I am replacing the values a and b. What becomes? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, isn't it, ma? Is it becomes like this? Yes. So now this is nothing but our LHS, okay. So this is, assume this. So we got here LHS. So what we can conclude, ma? LHS is equals to RHS. Here the problem I have done in two methods, ma. First of all, I proved for this taking LHS and we got RHS here, and second I am taking RHS and we got LHS here, okay, right.